Hey, so I'm back with part two of the B&G restoration engine cleaner, and I have to say that B&G has won. Look at this, man. I'm in shock. I mean, there's still some residue, but compared to what it was, you know, I have to say I'm a believer. Look at that, man. You couldn't even see the valve springs before. You couldn't see the bottom of the head, the bottom of this cylinder right here, or the top of the cylinder. There's still some sludge on there, but nothing compared to what it was, before the B&G. There's still some sludge in the corners, which I feel like buying another one and get it done again, because I mean, this is incredible. I'm speechless almost. I just opened this valve cover up, and this is incredible. And to let you know, I did drive it yesterday. I turned it on, and I have to say, this is the car's writing. When I turned it on, when I re-oiled it, it turned on like a brand new car. No ticking sound. No loud noises. The engine sounded like a brand new car. It really did, and it drives pretty good. I'm thinking the timing chain still looks pretty good. I'm thinking the tensioner might be going bad, or the guides, maybe because of the oil. Because there's a little rattling, tiny little rattling when I'm stepping on it. But other than that, it rides so nice and smooth. Oh my god! I think I'm gonna get another one later on. There's still some gum, but nothing like before. Look at this. Incredible. This is incredible. B&G, it's a winner. It's a win. If you have a gummed up vehicle or sludged up vehicle, you buy a vehicle and it's sludged up. This kit right here, let's see if I can find it. The label. This is the part number. I believe that's the part number. B&G products. And this is really good, man. It comes in 2 bottles like this, and it comes in 2 cans. Let me see. This is the engine cleaner. Still has some left. I don't know if it's enough to run it again, but I still have about 2 quarts left. Comes with a rinse, comes with fuel treatment, and then an additive for after you do all the flushes and stuff. I have to say, I'm speechless. I'm happy. I don't have to buy an engine. The valve cover's still not looking great. I mean, this thing was caked. It was caked up. Literally caked up. I mean, when I say caked up, it was like a layer of that much sludge on this. But as you can see, this is just, it's rad. It's I never use the word rad, but I'm literally, there's still some sludge there. It's a thick piece of sludge right there. You can see it, but look at that. You couldn't see the bottom of the fucking cylinder head. It's amazing, yo. There's still some right there. I mean, it's not perfect, but for what it was, Jesus Christ, I forgot my. Well, that was my update. B&G is a winner for $300. 300 plus dollars. I think it was like 330 came out to, plus you got to get a couple oil filters to the flushes, and obviously the oil. I mean, it's a win. So guys, if you have problems with your engines, if you buy an engine, you didn't check it well enough and it was sludged up, that, I mean, the cam, you couldn't even see the cam. You only could see the lobes on the cam earlier. That's the only thing that rubs on the valves. The cams were black, and look at that. The valve springs were black. You couldn't even see it. You couldn't see the bottom of it. Yo, I'm not a sponsor, but I'm sponsored. I'm giving this shit a 10 out of 10. Get it. B&G for the win.